Okay, another beautiful day today, and apologies for not, having, been making videos for, some 2, 3 days now, and it's all because of the good things that we are trying to put together, and that is the FX Trader KG website, which we've been trying so hard, very, very hard in the background to bring to your notice. And I want to say, at this moment, that we are very proud. I and my team are very proud to have reached this stage of we making the website a fruition. And we've had so many sleepless nights though, but it's all good that we are where we are, and we have gotten to this point actually. And before we I really talk about this today, let me give you the trade insights that I got before now. All right, and that was Euro AUD, which had directed or had given, having had all parameters set, like I always say. Okay, and what are the parameters? If you look at the chart, this is a 4-hour chart, and if you have watched some of the previous videos that I've made, which since when I started live streaming 90% of my videos, I have said it that I love areas like tops and bottoms, and tops and bottoms. Some of you will call it high and low, and high and lows. Okay, now another thing that I always try to put into place, or make sure that I have in place, is identifying areas where I can use as a zone. And what do I mean by zone, or what do I mean when I say zone? These are areas where price keep touching a particular areas, but it just price keep touching a particular area, and it doesn't move past it. So in this regard, I'll be looking for two things. It's either price breaks below, or price reverses and turns to the opposite side with which it has been coming from. And I look at this now. I've been looking at this, and if you ask me, some traders, or most traders, or I in those days, would want to say, maybe this is a continuation of a trade continuation, or a bearish momentum, or a continuation in the bearish momentum. Okay, I'm not ignoring the fact that you are not the market, and we must always put into place what the market is trying to preach or interpret to us. So here, two things are always involved. If price does not break below, then we should look for a reversal in this regard. In the 4-hour, I'm analyzing from the 4-hour time frame, and if it does breaks beneath this, definitely it means this move downward, we definitely this move downward we definitely continue. And so far so good. We've gotten about almost 600, almost 700 pips. So far so good in this fall from 1.6679, 1.6680. Now I'm looking at, based on the analysis, or based on what I have here, that since price has refused to break this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, then I should begin to look for opportunities to buy the reverse of the trend. Since it has been falling, definitely I should look for an opportunity to do what? To buy. All right, and that is what I am going to do now. So this is Euro AUD, and I'm going to buy Euro AUD now. All right, so I just initiated the buy order, and I'll be looking for price. Yeah. All right, so I'll be looking for price to go up from here to that is if it does, because I'm not the market. I'm just here to analyze and take advantage of whatever the market gives me. And also another thing I always look into is the strength of each currency to each other. And presently I have the euro index stronger than the Australian dollar index, and having all of these parameters set, definitely I believe it's a go ahead for me to buy or to start buying this currency pair or this move. All right, so I think it is worth it. I'm sorry I've been analyzing without pulling down this the image of the website that we have been building. All right, anyways, let me quickly also do this. I've been so much excited about the website, and I don't know if it has taken away a lot from me, as in time. I mean, a lot of time from me, but it's all worth it. Okay, so just a moment. Okay. Well, okay. All right, so sorry about that. I just had to quickly fix one or two things about the website, so to say. So like I was saying about Euro AUD, so many things I always like to put in place before I initiate my trade, and I love it when all parameters are set. I always say this in my videos. Okay, I always love it when all parameters are set. Now look at this zone here. Now look at this zone here. Now you can imagine how many times the price has tried. Maybe this is 1, let's calculate 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is the 5th time. I'm not going to count this. So that makes it that makes me to start looking at this point than just an area, but I call it a zone. Okay, now if price breaks beneath it, that means there won't be a continuation, but so far so good. 5 times that price has touched this. And if you also look at the market index now, and you will definitely see that currently what we have is euro having a stronger index than the Australian dollar. All right, and so many other factors that I always put into place. So currently I have a buy order for euro AUD, and I'm just going to hope that this will go in the direction, the purported direction. Like I always say, I am not the market. I only try as much as possible to use what I have, every knowledge, all methodologies, all techniques, all styles and systems, to just make sure I get what I want in the market. So if it goes in that direction, definitely I should be looking at 50, 60, 100 pips for myself. Okay, and if it doesn't, it's still all well and good. There is no perfect system, or there's no perfect trade methodology anywhere in the world. All right, so, and this has been good to me. This has been good to every member of the FX Trader KG community. All right, so that takes us back to where we were before now, and this is I just want us to also look at our website. Okay, so so far so good. This is the home page which we have designed here. This is where we can be of service to you. Our live trading, which you also can click through from here, and also you can also go through our expert training programs. And this is not just coming to you just because we wanted to create a website, or because we just want to do something else. We are only trying to put in all the years and efforts of that we have in the business, almost 2 decades, which is about almost 20 years, and let people also benefit from it. All right, so you can have our live trading sessions here, and also our education area here, where you can learn from us. And here you can watch all the videos, all our live stream video. If you click on it, you definitely are going to meet the current live stream video. The current live stream video, that is what you will see. And if you just click, I'm just gonna mute that. If you click on it and you want more, just click on this YouTube, and it will click on this link, and it will take you to where you can watch other videos. Okay, where you can watch other video, and just make sure you do what? You subscribe. All right, just make sure that you subscribe. And also you can also, these are the things we try to put together in the website. All right, so you can also take advantage, if you're a TikToker, if you're a Facebook, and if you're a Twitter person, go and follow. And the beauty of all of these platforms is that for now we'll be selecting randomly choosing where we are going to run our make our live stream videos. Okay, for now we have not gotten to we've not gotten all that we need to get to to start making all of the live videos. But on Facebook and on Twitter, sorry, on Facebook and on YouTube, we are very good, to go. So you can also help by following us on TikTok, so that let's get to, I think, about 1,000 or thereabouts, and so we can start making our live videos. So while we are on Facebook, we also at the same time be on YouTube, and we also try as much as possible at the same time to be live with you guys on TikTok and also on Twitter. All right, so here is the homepage, and here is our blogs. Okay, we've written quite a few blogs, and so let's quickly go to the about page. All right, so this is what we have about the about page. If you go through it, you will see, and also another important link in the website is the live trading section, where you're going to read through all the things that we do, and you need to register. You need to open an account so that you can also trade with us live. Yeah, you too can do that. So you need to create an account, deposit, verify. You let us verify your account, then you gain access to the live trading. So that's why I said you can also create an account to become a TikTok person, or a YouTube person, or a Facebook person, or a Twitter person, because there will just be selecting areas where we will tell our users or our subscribers or our followers that this is where we are. You get an email, or you will get an information from us that this is where we want to shoot from. Okay, all right, so that is another one. And then we have a blog, and while we are at it, let me quickly, all right, so we have a blog. This is the area where we have our blogs, just a few of information that we have there. So far so good. And lastly, the contact page, which is another unique thing that we have built. So here you can contact us on a live chat. You can email us. We will get the live chat immediately, and also we're going to reach out to you immediately we get your email. And you can also send us a message here. All right, you can also send us a message, and if you think you still want to go through our frequently asked questions, it covers everything we do and all that's we also are planning to do. All right, so I think that is that's about that with what we have. So far so good. So with our current entry, which is Euro AUD, we are on a buy order, and what I'm hoping is the price goes to the north. I mean, it goes up from where it currently is, and if it does that, that's a lot of cashing in for us. Anyways, the good thing is that as soon as we are getting the what's it called, as soon as we have we do every analysis that we are supposed to do, and we get everything we are supposed to get, we have all parameters set. That is a simple language for it, on any analysis of any currency pair or financial asset that we make. The next is to quickly live stream it, and we will take an entry. Okay, we will live stream and we will take an entry. And even if you have take an entry, we will quickly live stream it, because most times you trade will still have to range one way or the other before it goes in the direction with which it is supposed to go, either up or down. So I think it's good. I think we are all going to benefit from this. So please, I think this is the area where you can hit the subscribe button, and also try as much as possible to hit the like button, so that yes, our video can be shown to millions of people out there who also wants to do well in the financial trading world. And if you are a TikTok person, please use the TikTok link, use a link on our website. Okay, use the link on our website. You can at the footer of our page, you can get all our links there. You can also listen to some of the podcasts that are made, a lot for you guys to benefit from. Okay, so so far so good. I think we've done what we need to do. The next chapter is to be able to reach out to the whole world, that this is what we have and this is why we are doing what we are doing. So until the next video, so like I said, we'll be making one video per trade analysis or one video per entry. Okay, so that means even if we have 2, 3 or 4 or 5 or more than 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 videos analysis set for a day, we are going to make as much videos as we will make. All right, so all in the space between the start of the London session and the New Year session. All right, so thanks you guys, and I hope we get to do a lot together. I hope we get to do great things together. Until the next video, I want to say from the deepest bottom of my heart, I will see you guys at the top. So thank you.